What's up? It's Danita with Booty Bands, and I'm here to show you 4 shortcuts on how to get your most perfect booty. So stay with me, you don't want to miss this. I've changed thousands of booties and you're next. Shortcut number 1, activation. So this first video, I'm just demonstrating how to activate your glutes before you go into a workout. This is definitely one of my most top favorites, and it's a common mistake that I see amongst people that go immediately into a leg or glute day, is they don't get those muscles firing to really get the most and beneficial workout. So if you need a booty band, go ahead and just click below and you'll be able to see how you can get yours. And the first exercise I give you on my program is called the mermaids, and that's what you're seeing right here. Shortcut number 2. Second one is isolation, and this is definitely one of my most favorite things while I'm doing glute day, because you are isolating that muscle, which means you are putting everything on that muscle. You're not combining it, you're not sharing it, you're not splitting it up, you're not doing any compound movements. You are isolating. And to me, this is my most favorite because I feel the most burn. I feel like the biggest success out of my workouts, and I always throw them in. So a little tip that I want to give you today is I usually will do something like this about 20 times on each leg. And then after that, I'll go into a compound, which is both legs, for just 10 reps. That's my favorite. So tip number 3, you are stronger than what you think, so do not sell yourself short. So these exercises here are all of my 10 days that I provide my members. These are phenomenal because they actually originated from physical therapy. So they end up working on strengthening your hips, your glutes, the areas around your knees and your ankles, so that way you can progress into heavier weights. Again, if you need a booty band, click in the link below, because these workouts are using only booty bands. There, you progress into weights with the booty bands, and that's where this is great for beginner and advanced. You get lifetime access for these workouts, and everybody is raving over them. Number 4 is muscle confusion and getting yourself out of that plateau. So I'm going to teach you through this workout here a little bit about muscle confusion and getting yourself out of a plateau. Danita, what do you mean by a plateau? Well, about every 3 to 6 weeks, you need to challenge your body, so therefore your muscles are getting a little bit confused, therefore you're getting the best results out of your workouts. What happens is your body starts to learn what it is that you're doing and learns your cycle and learns your workouts. So you need to confuse it a little bit. So some things that I do in my workouts that I show you are the 1.5 reps. So meaning, as you can see here, all the way up, halfway down, all the way up, all the way down. So again, it's just kind of this up, halfway down, all the way up, and down. And what that does is it really confuses the muscles. And the other thing too is like holding, pulsing, things like that to really make that muscle go, what is going on here? Awesome, I hope you learned a lot today about your 4 shortcuts on how to get your most perfect booty. So if you do not have a booty band, you can go ahead and click in the link below, and you can see what these super cute, sturdy, durable, fun, comfortable booty bands are about. And the biggest thing is, I have to say, you know, a lot of people ask me, Danita, what is the difference between your bands and others? Well, I just kind of wanted to show you not only the physical difference of something that just, you know, obviously is not as comfortable, they usually tear, break, pinch your skin, to something a little bit more comfortable, but also this is a transformation program. We provide the 10 days of workouts, a small waist diet program, and also a community that's private on Facebook where we can actually talk and converse with one another to really share each other's journey. And honestly, I have to say, it's beautiful. It is so cool to see the empowerment and the upliftment and the support that we all have for each other. It's awesome. So come join us. Thank you again.